Once upon a time, in a peaceful little village, lived a kind and cheerful boy named Hamza. He was just 8 years old, but everyone knew him as the most honest child in the village. Hamza's mother always said, "Hamza, remember, Allah loves those who speak the truth." One sunny afternoon, Hamza was playing in the garden. He kicked his ball a little too hard, and crash! It broke the neighbor's window. Hamza felt scared. His hands shook. "What should I do?" he whispered. He thought about hiding or running away. But then, he remembered Prophet Muhammad. Hamza walked to the neighbor's house. With a brave heart, he said, "Uncle, I'm sorry. I broke your window by mistake." The neighbor smiled and said, "Thank you for telling the truth, Hamza. I'm proud of you. Don't worry about the window." That night, Hamza prayed to Allah, "Thank you, Allah, for helping me be honest." From that day, other kids followed Hamza's example, and the village became full of truth and kindness. Moral: always speak the truth. Even when it's hard, Allah loves those who are honest.